Good morning, students. I want to take an opportunity to go over the two problems that were in the hyperdoc for last week. They are two-step equations. So the first one is 4x plus 4 equals 8. And so we recognize this one is multiplication and we recognize this is addition. So now we have to undo those problems. So when you have multiplication and you have addition, it is easier to undo the addition first. So the opposite of adding 4 is taking 4 away. So I'm going to take 4 away from both sides. So that crosses off. So I'm left with just 4x equals 8 minus 4 gives me 4. Okay, so here is your first step. Now I have 4x, so that is multiplication, so the opposite of that is division. So I'm going to divide by 4. 4 divided by 4 is eliminated, so all I'm left with is x equals 4 divided by 1, 4 divided by 4 is 1, so that is my second step. So these are what we call two-step operations or two-step equations because there are two operations in the problem. Okay, so now let's come back down here to this one. And we have x divided by 2 plus 4. So you've got division and you have addition. So we're going to undo it, and we're going to undo addition first. So we undo it by subtraction. So we're left with x over 2 because these were eliminated equals 6. Okay, opposite of division is multiplication, so I'm going to times by 3. I'm going to times by 3. What I do to one side, I have to do to the other side. Oops, excuse me, times by 2. I apologize. Times by 2. Okay, so 2x over 2, you can cross the 2's out, and you're left with x. 6 times 2 is 12. So here is your first step. Here is your second step. So now if we want, we can double check to see. So let us do a check. So how we're going to do a check is we're going to stick wherever x is, we're going to stick the 12 in there. So it would be 12 over 2 plus 4 needs to equal 10 because there was an equal sign here. Okay, so we don't get to decide that it's not equal because this right here we have to make as a true statement. So 12 divided by 2 is 6. So now this is gone. So 6 plus 4 we know is 10. So 10 does equal 10. So yes, I know my work is correct. So that is yes, and that is my confirmation or my proof, right? Or I proved my work, right? I proved my work is correct. Have a great day.